Australia's health system is facing big challenges. From supporting an ageing population to fighting chronic disease, our preventative health services are vital. Professionals who understand the relationship between diet, exercise and health, and the science behind it, are in high demand. That's why we created the Bachelor of Health Science, specialising in nutrition and exercise, to equip you with the skills to help people live their healthiest lives. You'll learn how to maximise physical performance and health, use food as medicine, and understand the psychology of exercise, sport and health. You'll also put your knowledge into practice while you study, working on real-world projects to gain valuable experience. Our academic team are experts in the fields of exercise and food science and integrate their world-class research and industry experience into their teaching. It's what will give you a competitive edge in any workplace. UniSA Online's Bachelor of Health Science, Nutrition and Exercise will help you follow your passion and create real and meaningful impact. So, take the first step now and launch your exciting health science career with us at UniSA Online.